Hello, welcome to today's channel reading. So, today I am guided to take you through a reading into your harmonious union energy on your twin flame journey. Okay, so as you are pursuing your uh, twin flame journey, you need constant guidance or communication with God. With divine guidance only you have to make choice and move in that direction. So today I'll be seeking what are the right choices or what are the gateway to get into the harmonious union energy. So let's see how divine is going to guide us and what are the energy of energy that is currently blocking, and with the divine guidance how we can clear it faster and get into it. So as we are seeking a guidance, so I'm going to pull cards from the deck of Gateway Oracle cards. It's a very beautiful card. So if you have already aligned your energy and you are like quite, you have access to your intuitive energy, so you can also have this deck for your personal journey, because this card always helps you to get direction, always helps you to direct what is the next choice that you are looking for. It's a beautiful gem card. I don't know if you can see this. It's like making a difference. Okay, so my inner light shines far and wide, right? Because your twin flame journey is all about you connecting with your own inner energy and coming in union with that energy, because your twin flame journey is very empowering journey. It every step you are going closer and closer with yourself. Okay, so I'll just read the message. The card is meaning you are making a difference in the lives of others in ways that you may not even know. Many benefit because of you. Your light radiates far and wide. Yes, that's actually truth. Every one of you who are on your twin flame journey and constantly embodying unconditional love, even if you are not much into the activity like your like life purpose, right? Like you have not yet discovered what is your life purpose, or you are not engaged there, still embodying this energy itself is so peaceful, and this helps, this helps people around you. Many people get benefited out of it just by seeing that unconditional love in you. It's so beautiful. So reading further, the universe wants you to know, sometimes the smallest actions can have the greatest impact. Perhaps it's a smile shared with a stranger, a kindness extended to an acquaintance, or a favor done for a friend. This is akin to a story about the man who returns beached satisfied to the sea. Although he knows that he cannot possibly save them all, he continues his work because it makes a difference to the few who he can save. You can and will change lives. Take steps towards that will make a difference in the life of another. Beautiful. Like when you are going through the journey, and in case you are you are not yet in your harmonious union, and at times it becomes so heavy that you don't believe that even you matter. Because I still remember that feels like just giving up everything, and Just I don't want to even connect with people, but you don't know, you are such a beautiful gift, and this card is such a beautiful confirmation of that. You don't know, the value of the life that you have. Maybe you are going to, it doesn't matter, even it is just one person. If you can, with your unconditional love, if you can just make a difference in the life of that person, you have done your purpose. You have done the purpose that divine wanted you to do, and that is it. You don't have to judge yourself, or criticize yourself that you are not doing it like the other people are doing. No, because nobody is doing, actually it's actually God is flowing through them. So we don't know in which way God is going to flow through us. So in that aspect, it is absolutely fine. It's absolutely fine to extend the love that we have in our heart. And you never know, when you give that, you just give that, and you don't know in which way it is going to make a change into others' life. I was feeling like it's going to guide something into the healing of the harmonious union. But this card is very much aligned to your life purpose energy. This card is guiding you to the liveliness. Like more and more you become alive with that unconditional love. You, by just your presence, is going to make a difference, and what you do with that is just additional thing on top of that. But first thing is your twin flame, and this card is guiding you to just shine in your inner light. Just shine in your inner light, far and wide. This is such a beautiful, and that is enough. That is enough. You don't have to do anything. I'm going to pull a supporting card in this from this deck only, and let's see what is the supporting card coming through. Beautiful, beautiful card. I don't know how much you can see this. It's like a yin yang symbol. Can you see this? Beautiful. And it is like starting fresh. This card is like complementing to the previous card. It's like a wonderful new beginning is blossoming in my life. Wow. Is it not a confirmation? Like when you are coming out of your healing and you are going deeper into your life purpose, because your life purpose, your inner light is the, like, expansion of your inner light to the world is your life purpose. And when you are coming out of your healing and you are extending that light to the world, uh, and you are like ready to make that difference in others life, this card is confirming is like it is starting fresh. It's a new beginning. You can just start like that. A wonderful new beginning is blossoming in my life. The card meaning is a new cycle is blossoming in your life. All that is not needed from the past is dropping away as you release the old and embrace the new. Every healing you do, anyway, you are going through this cycle and you are breaking the karmic pattern, right? And once you heal and come out of that healing and release all that past, everything that is holding you back from shining yourself, shining your light, it is the perfect time. It is the perfect time that you just release everything and start from new. Beautiful. And the message is, all life travels in cycle. our on our beautiful planet, plants dies in the winter so that new life can emerge in the spring. It's the spiral dance of death and rebirth. This represents a time in your life to start fresh. Do not linger with old situations, relationships, or places that no longer serves your higher good. Let go and sail into unfamiliar waters. Stretch into a new direction. Even if you feel uncertain, wonderful opportunities awaits for you. I don't think I have to explain anything beyond what this card is telling you. The God is talking to you through this card and guiding you. You just can trust and surrender and keep moving. You don't have to fear about the uncertainty, what God is going to bring to you in the opportunities. All that you have to do is just make a choice and start afresh. Beautiful message. Thank you.